Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to TKrev Studio today. We have Logitech PRO X SUPERLIGHT lightweight wireless optical gaming. I'm excited to unbox and review it. Don't forget to subscribe for my future tech reviews and unboxings. Less than 63 grams, advanced low latency lightspeed wireless. A sub-micro positioning with Hero 25K sensor with our lightest and fastest Pro mouse ever. Remove all obstacles, super lightweight. The most lightweight and fastest Pro mouse of all time. To clear the path to victory. This is a lightweight frisbee which has almost no effect of friction while giving the best performance. The PRO X SUPERLIGHT is based on Zore Hesitation concept of eliminating barriers between the players and the sport. In the box, PRO X SUPERLIGHT wireless gaming mouse. Optional grip tape and user documentation. Optional aperture door with PTFE foot. Charging data cable. Wireless receiver extension adapter. PRO X SUPERLIGHT wireless gaming mouse light speed is one of the engineering breakthroughs that achieve about 25% lighter than wireless Pro mouse. This goal was achieved by engaging in highly engineering-intensive processes that resulted in a minimal loss of weight without sacrificing any significant aspect of performance. Zore Hesitation, win with light speed, our pro-grade responsive performance. And robust connectivity wireless technology, truly satisfying gaming experience. Soft but feel comfortable in the hands and not heavy. Carbon neutral, ranks at the top among sustainable companies. The company offers a fully certified product. We buy our renewable energy while purchasing carbon offsets to limit the remaining net carbon neutral emissions in our manufacturing sites. Sensor above the aperture door. How do I store the receiver in the PRO X SUPERLIGHT to mouse? During travel, turn your mouse over and push in on the 3 dots at the bottom of the aperture door to pop the top side out and remove the door. Insert the receiver into the slot, then replace the aperture door. The magnets are aligned such that it will only close properly if the G logo is readable with them. I'll link it in the description. For this PRO SUPERLIGHT game mouse, How does the Hero to sensor calibration feature work for gaming? Mice. The hero to sensor can be configured, calibrated against the sensor output of another mouse, e.g. your Logitech gaming mice or any other mouse in the market. The software will analyze the output of the old mouse and configure a DPI offset for the hero to sensor in the new mouse. Your tracking experience will be identical between the old and the new mouse. Alright, let's try some games with this PRO X SUPERLIGHT. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit that subscribe button for our future tech reviews and gaming.